Our slavery it is not a verbal slavery. Our slavery is by law. Our slavery is by law of Manusmriti. It is a law of slavery. If you read the Manusmriti, how Brahmins has made us as slaves, you have to read Manusmriti. Then you will understand. Today, as we are not rulers, though there is a democracy today, but we are not a ruler. Ruler is Brahmin today also. This is very unusual thing happening. The government went on back foot. Government went on very much back foot. They did not dare to take action against him at all. The representation of Mool Nivasi medical professional will be vanished, and making them a bonded labor is a Brahmanical conspiracy, a serious discussion. This is the subject. The second subject, the right to representation, got with struggle of Mool Nivasi great forefathers, is being vanished through the introduction of EVM, is Brahmanical conspiracy a serious analysis. The second subject is on EVM. The fourth subject in this session is by stealing India's ancient Buddhist indigenous health system and making it popular in the name of Ayurveda is a Brahmanical conspiracy, a serious discussion. And I think our dignitary, Dr. Vidya Nagaonkar, has given sufficient information about this subject. Fourth subject is, without organizing the indigenous medical professionals, how can we be the ruler class? This is very important. How, without organizing the medical professionals, how we will become a ruling class? That is a dream of Dr. Baba Saheb. In a view of this, impose responsibility. What is the relation between COVID-19 and pandemic and New World Order? A research analysis. My friend Dr. Kapil Bajaj has put forward you the sufficient information and awakened you in this relation. So now these are the subject kept for today's discussion. Now, what was the object of Baba Saheb? The first is to abolish the untouchability. Abolish the untouchability. Second is, all Mool Nivasi Bahujan Samaj should become a ruler of this country. This is second object. And third object of Baba Saheb is to have a society, have a homogeneous society by the principle of equality, brotherhood, equal justice and freedom. These are the principles should establish in the society. These are the three dynamic principles kept in front of our forefathers. And is this object is fulfilled today? No, not at all. Untouchable is there. The form of untouchability has been changed. It has become worse. It has not vanished. It has become worse. Dr. Vinayak Kali is an example. They are exploiting the super class 1 person. Super class 1 they are exploiting. So, we are the victims of untouchability. Even today. The second object is everybody should become a ruler. SCs, STs, OBC as minority, these are the aboriginals. These are the Mool Nivasi Bahushan of this country. And these should become rulers. Why Baba Sahib kept this object to become a ruler? Always ask why. Why has been kept this object? Because you know, my dear friends, our slavery it is not a verbal slavery. Our slavery is by law. Our slavery is by law of Manusmriti. It is a law of slavery. If you read the Manusmriti, how Brahmins has made us as slaves, you have to read Manusmriti. Then you will understand. So as our slavery is by law, by rule of Brahmanism, so unless we become a ruler of this country, how will frame a law against this? You cannot frame a law. If you are not a ruler, because only rulers can frame a law to the public. Only rulers has a right to frame a law, not a public. So Baba Sahib has kept this second object. If you want to destroy this your slavery, which is by law, you want to destroy this slavery, you have to become a ruler and you have to form a law against this slavery. That's why you have to become a ruler of this country. And today, as we are not a rulers, though there is a democracy today, but we are not a rulers. Ruler is Brahmin today also. Before 1950, the law, the amendment for the public, Brahmins were amending the law for the public before 1950. After 1950, the constitution come into play, and Baba Sahib has given you the constitution, and constitution is for to abolish the untouchability, to become a ruler of this country, and plus to have a society such that you have to establish this principle: equality, fraternity, equal justice and freedom. Almost 1 year back, Maharashtra state government has made a conspiracy with him and exploited him, and because result is he has transferred, and not transferred, but it's a downgrade transfer to other department. So this is the serious offense made by government of Maharashtra towards this class 1 officer. So against this he fought in the court of law and what we call that organization in High Court. So, in High Court, we fought plus BAMSEP and BAMSEP offshoot organization, for example, Proton, that is a professor, teachers, and non-teaching staff organization, and Indian Medical Professional Association, and NUF, and RMBKS. These are the organization. They fought on the road for his. So this message gone viral in the government and they open their eyes. Plus, as we fought in High Court and we won that case. This is very unusual thing happening. The government went on back foot. Government went on very much back foot. They did not dare to take action against him at all. So, this is our great win against government. And this is the incidence we want to facilitate him. Why? Because this man is totally transparent in his job. He is non-corrupt, totally transparent. These are the qualities is in him which has proved that he is right. And so, we want to facilitate him in this national convention at the hands of Honorable Patron, BAMSEP and IMPA, Vaman Meshram.
नेशनल दस्तक की आपसे गुजारिश है कि अगर इसको बचाना चाहते हैं तो नेशनल दस्तक को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रेड कलर के सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं, फिर बेल आइकन की घंटी दबाएं। नेशनल दस्तक को बचाने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हर खबर को शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट जरूर करें।